Technology is advancing at a breakneck pace, changing the way we live, work, and play. Almost every day, we see new advancements. Cutting edge technology is upending long held beliefs that we as a species have held for decades, if not millennia. You see, computers first appeared half a century ago, and they were mostly used for a particular scientific or research jobs. But they are now widespread, all around us. We see and feel computer power in a variety of shapes, sizes, and sorts. Compact and portable versions such as those seen in cell phones are available. These technologies have already dramatically altered living patterns, resulting in a far faster standard evolution. New technologies may emerge as the primary motivators for our species' next evolutionary stage. IBM's Watson, an artificial intelligence-powered supercomputer, recently made headlines by properly diagnosing a medical issue in minutes, something doctors had failed to accomplish for months. The suggested medication was not working for a Japanese female patient with leukemia. The physicians were at a loss for what to do. The team chose to employ IBM Watson's AI technology as a last resort, and it proved to be a lifesaver for the patient. It took IBM Watson roughly 10 minutes to analyze the patient's medical records, cross-reference her condition against 20 million cancer records, and determine that the patient had a different type of leukemia than was initially diagnosed, requiring alternative therapy. This new therapy was significantly more effective than the previous ones. Google's DeepMind is another AI technology in the development that aims to reliably identify early indications of vision degeneration by analyzing over 1 million eye scans. The primary goal is to identify the signs of visual impairment caused by diabetes and age-related vision loss. DeepMind co-founder Mustafa Suleyman expects that early diagnosis of this condition will allow doctors to avert 98% of this type of blindness worldwide. Scientists are also researching DNA-based medicine with the help of technology. Many current drugs are one-size-fits-all, so they do not operate the same way for everyone. It can be difficult to determine who would benefit from a treatment, who will not respond, and who will experience adverse drug reactions. With the knowledge gained from the Human Genome Project, researchers are learning how inherited differences in genes affect the body's response to medications. These genetic distinctions will be utilized to forecast whether a treatment will be beneficial for a particular person and to aid in prevention of adverse drug reactions. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes influence a person's drug response. This relatively new area combines pharmacology with genomics to create effective, safe treatments and dosages that are tailored to a person's genetic makeup. Pharmacogenomics is still in its early stages. Its use is now very limited, but new ways are being tested in clinical trials to address the wide range of health issues in the future, including cancer, HIV/AIDS, and Alzheimer's disease. What would happen, for example, if we develop a cure for Alzheimer's disease that, as a side benefit, could dramatically improve the memories of healthy people, making them superhumans? Of all the projects currently underway, the most revolutionary is the attempt to devise a two-way brain-computer interface that will allow computers to read the electrical signals of a human brain. What if such interfaces are used to directly connect a brain to the internet, or to directly link multiple brains to each other, producing a universal or group consciousness? Companies such as MindX and Elon Musk's Neuralink are already working on this concept. What would happen to human memory, awareness, and identity if the brain has direct access to a shared memory bank? In such a case, one might extract another's memories as if they were downloading it from the cloud and use them as if they were his own. What happens to the concept like self or gender identity when minds become collective? A cyborg of this type would no longer be human or biological. It'd be something different, entirely different, and something we cannot even start to comprehend. Let us know what you think and leave down your thoughts in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.